Hi friends, so today we're going to work on a subtraction problem. Now we learned that subtraction is the opposite of addition. When we're doing addition, we're going to put two groups of numbers together. When we do subtraction, we're going to take a group of numbers away from a bigger number, okay? So today we're going to work with cookies and a cookie jar, all right? Now we're going to do a story problem together, okay? So let's say there were 3 cookies in a jar. Whoa, let me fix that. 3, okay. So now I'm gonna move 3 cookies and I wanna still be able to see them. So I'm gonna put them like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I have 3 cookies in my jar. Now, someone took, say they took out 2 cookies, okay? Now, let's go down to our equation and we're going to write, we started out with this number. So we started out with 3 and somebody took out how many? They took out 2. So minus 2. So now let's go ahead and do it. So I'm going to take 1 cookie. I'm going to move it 1. Take this other cookie. I'm going to move it 2. Now, how many cookies are still in the jar? You can see that there's only 1 cookie left in the jar. So my answer is 1. Let's do one more together. All right, so same thing. There were, let's do a bigger number this time. There were 5 cookies in a jar, okay? So now I'm gonna write my number 5 down in my number sentence because we started with 5. So let's put 5 cookies in the jar. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now we're going to decide how many cookies we want to take out. We're going to take out 2. So someone took 2 cookies out of the jar, minus 2. So now I'm going to go ahead and move 1, 2 cookies out of the jar. Now, how many cookies are left? 1, 2, 3. 3 cookies are left. So our answer is 3. There we go. All right, so for today's activity, you are going to have equations over here that look like this, okay? And you are going to get to do it with the jar and the cookies, okay? So the first problem says 5 cookies were in the jar, okay? So I'm going to write the number 5. Over here it says in how many cookies are in the jar. So I'm going to write the number 5. Then I'm going to click my move tool and I'm going to move 5 of my cookies in the jar. 1, I'm going to make sure I can still see my cookie. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now it says minus or take away 4. So 4 cookies came out of the jar. So cookies out of the jar, our number is 4. So I'm going to write 4 here. I'm going to click my move tool because I'm going to act it out. So I'm going to pick up 4 cookies and take them out. Oh, not my jar. Got my cookie. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many cookies are still in my jar? There's just 1. So my answer for my problem is 1. Okay, so you are going to finish the rest of these problems by moving the cookies in and out of the jar and writing the numbers, and then you're going to click the green check mark to turn it in.